Hello guys. So first of all, in order to go to Python programming, we need to install Python. So for that, we'll be installing an application called as Anaconda. So first we need to download that. I'll be showing how to download this Anaconda file. So just go to Google and search Anaconda. So there will be download page available. You can directly go to that, and there you will be having an option to download. So by clicking on this, you can download the anaconda.exe file, and it will be of 1 GB. And if you open the .exe file, it will be looking something like this. So the installation process is really simple. You just need to click on this next, I agree, and then next, and then next. Okay. And then next, and it will be done. It is already installed in my uh, like laptop. That's why it is giving some error. But in your case, it will get installed. It will not cause any of the problems. So directly install using these steps. And after installation, uh, go to your search, and you can find Anaconda prompt over there. So Anaconda prompt will be looking similar to the terminal. So here if you see, it is very similar to the terminal, our basic Windows terminal. So here it is specifying that we are in the base environment. So environment is the thing where we install all our required libraries. So it is advisable to create separate environments apart from base. So let's see what are all available environments over here. So conda env list. It This command will be telling us uh, the environments present in this. So it is taking time. So here if you see, it is showing base as one environment, and there is some other environment known as new. Okay, these two are the available environments. Let us create some new environment, and that can be done using the command conda create -n and ml. This is the environment name that we are giving over here. Okay, like that you can give, instead of ml, you can give some other name. Oh, I'm giving it as ml, and it will be done very quickly. And after creating the environment, uh, let's say we want to, like, we just want to check whether Python is installed on it or not. We can directly give command as Python. So here we can clearly see Python 3.11.5 is already installed. That's why it is showing like this. If it is not installed, then it will show as error. So it is installed over here. Now let's go into the environment, conda activate ml. So now if we see, the environment got changed from base to ml. Here we will be installing all the required libraries. So I'm having a requirements.txt file, and I'll be sharing you this link in the description. So here I have given all the commands for installation of each library. You just need to copy paste each of these commands. Let's say conda install Jupyter. Then you'll copy this and just press enter. After that, it will ask whether to proceed or not. Just click yes every time and install all those. So I'll be pausing over here, and I'll install all these one by one, and then I'll be continuing the video. And it is really simple, guys. You just need to enter each of these command and just press S whenever it is asking you for proceed. Okay. So I have given all these commands and installed each and every library. So let's see whether in this environment Python is present or not. We have checked it in base already. So here also if you see Python is already present. So you can exit. Okay. So now we have to type Jupyter Notebook. It will open Jupyter Notebook in the browser. Okay. It will take some time, like some 30 seconds or 20 seconds, and it will open it in our browser. So it will be looking something like this. After that, you can create some new folder using new and then new folder. Uh, let's uh, let's keep the name as it is and go inside the folder. Here, let's say we want to create some new notebook. So you can use new and then notebook. It will create us some new Jupyter notebook. First, we have to select the kernel. Here we are selecting Python 3 as the kernel. And then let's see whether the libraries got like installed properly or not. So let's check whether TensorFlow got installed or not. Import TensorFlow as TF. This command will import the TensorFlow library. So here, if you see, it is giving some warning. It is not giving any of the errors. So let's see the version of TensorFlow. To run any of these cells, you can use Shift plus Enter. It will run the cell. Okay. So it is showing 2.15. The version is 2.15. So let's see how to print something in Python. Let's say we wanted to print hello world. How will we print? Print HELLOWORLD. So in Python, strings can be written within double quotes or in even single quotes also. So I'm using single quotes over here. You can also use double quotes like this. Okay. It will not it will not give any error. So that's it for this video, guys. We'll be seeing in the next videos how to initialize the variables and what are the different data structures in Python. All those we'll be discussing in the coming videos. I hope you guys enjoyed it and thank you.